This ain't 500. Motorcycle. This is originally designed for military use. Obviously, it's been set up and completely redone for fun use. But I'm driving this thing around, thinking, man, I've got the best job in the world for sure. Guys, if you think about it, in 15 years, this thing's going to be 100 years old. It's really quite remarkable. It purrs like a kitten. It was originally designed for military use, so they're built to a extremely bulletproof standard. If you look at the engine, it's a super simple single-cylinder 4-stroke. Look at that thing. I mean, it's totally user serviceable. It was designed to be able to be repaired in the field and to not break in the field because it was military war use design. It's a Watsonian style sidecar. The thing is, when I first saw it, it looked to me like a Christmas present for somebody. It's red and chrome, and I had a vision of the sidecar full of presents and Santa Claus riding it. You know, it's just the kind of thing you could take your wife and grandkids out on the weekend for, or put your German Shepherd in the sidecar and just cruise down a country road. Just a spectacular piece. Relaxing to ride. Truly in all season, you could run this thing in the snow if you wanted to. You could run it. Well, it's not going to fall over, right? It's more like driving it's a three-wheeler. So 39 BSA, it says on the front fender there. The original girder front fork was chromed, has a beautiful chrome headlight, has a Smith speedometer on it, real nice set of flat bars. All the chrome work on it just really makes it pop, and you couldn't pick a better color. The upholstery is beautiful. It almost looks like a alligator skin. I don't know what they call that, but with a diamond tuck on there, and they did the diamonds with the alligator skin there. This kind of upholstery work and chrome work is really expensive. I mean, if you're going to buy one of these from military surplus, which is where they all came from, and do a frame up on this, paint it, chrome it, and rebuild it, you would easily put 100 hours of shop labor, which is $150 an hour now, 15 grand plus parts. Last time this bike was for sale, if you Google 1939 BSA sidecar rig, there is an ad from, I think it was Classic Motor Cars had it, and they've got pictures of it. It was years ago, and they sold it for $18,500. The previous owner who bought it passed away. His wife contacted us, and we're reselling the sidecar rig for her. Has a really cool luggage rack on it. It's got the built-in center stand, which can actually be what was actually removed and chromed. When they rebuilt the motorcycle, they chromed the upper belt guard, the lower belt guard, the primary, the foot pegs, the brake lever, the battery hold downs, the horn, the engine mounts. They basically dismantled the whole motorcycle and sent out anything that wasn't painted red or silver to be chromed, and it came out freaking beautiful. The sidecar is beautiful. It rides really, really nice. It's very comfortable. It does have suspension under the seat here, which really, you got about 6 inches of spring there. I never bottomed it out, bouncing over bumps. It felt comfy. It's a hardtail, but you have suspension and you have the girder front end. And again, it's absolutely bulletproof. I'll have a full work order. I'll have a full work order listed for it on the eBay ad. Didn't need much because it came to us looking like this, just like it did when it was sold a while back. It was previously restored, so it was in excellent condition. All we had to do is go through the carburetor, clean the carb, flush the fuel out of the tank, put fresh VP fuel in it. We installed new fuel petcocks on the left and right side of the engine, new battery, set the timing, adjusted the points, and that was about it. Put new primary gear oil in it and a new fuel fitting. So a couple $100 in parts and about 10 hours of shop labor later, we've got a $1,684 work order. That doesn't include the detail shop, which spent probably 4 hours. Didn't need much, like I said, but they steam cleaned it, hand washed it, went right through. I believe they repainted the cylinder head, or the previous owner may have, because, you can see the cylinder was repainted. Excellent compression. Jeff, who's 65, the man mechanic, kick-started it like 3 times. We happen to be on a hill here, so it's very easy to pop start it. Basically, it's a pretty simple process. It's a single carb thumper. So you tickle the carb, turn the fuel on. This is a ignition retard. So you push this farther forward, and as soon as it starts, you pull it all the way back to here. It has a choke too, but you don't need that, especially in the summertime, and it fired right up. Once you get down the technique of starting it, and it runs freaking awesome. So obviously, when they did the frame off, they got into the engine. Everything was, new gaskets and seals, and went through it some time ago. So it passed our QA here, and test ride was fun. We actually shot a video yesterday with Bill Blythe, who's got more sidecar miles than anybody, but the freaking mic wasn't working. So that's why we reshot the video, because you couldn't hear the audio at all. So hopefully this one will be a little bit better. And if you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024. Bill, being a sidecar aficionado, pointed out how heavy duty the mounts are with the sidecar mounts, and how sturdy this thing is built compared to some sidecar rigs. Again, originally military application, so you'd expect that. But this is a diamond. It's ready to roll into the New England Motorcycle Museum. It'll be on the first floor if you want to come see it till it finds its new home. It's a bargain at the $18,500. You couldn't buy one and restore it to this for less. And this one's done, ready to roll into the museum, or put it in display in your coffee shop or your man room. This is something that, again, be a great piece to have on the entryway of your business. It's a conversation piece that no one will walk by without staring at. I can guarantee you that. And as far as driving it down Main Street in Daytona or Americade or Laconia, heads will turn. If you go past a shop, wrenches will drop, because every mechanic in is going to be like, what is that? Sounds so cool. Anyways, enough out of me. I love the bike. It's really cool. Good luck bidding on it, and God bless America.